sounds so vicious. But Fuzzy has actually cleaned him up numerous times. That's why he has the coat on, because Rick just grabs the coat. When Fuzzy's had enough, he'll let him know. But you can tell Fuzzy's not had enough yet. They still want to play. Fuzzy, is he done playing? Huh? Are you loving your brother? You like to play. Oh, yes, you do. Here he comes. Are you done playing? Taking a breather? Yeah.